Welcome to CanDoMath.com. I'm Maria McGuire. We are going to solve the following problem. Find the equation of a line through the point -3, 2 with an x-intercept of 1. So let's graph it. So first it says the point -3, 2. So that's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. -3, 2, and the x-intercept of 1. So where does it intersect the x-axis? Right here. So that's 1, 0. Okay, so we are going to find the equation of this line. So the formula for a line is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Okay, and x1 and y1 are just any one point, and then m is the slope. So the slope is the rise over run. So in other words, what angle is the line? Okay, so let's look at these 2 points and look at rise over run. So in order to get from this point to this point, the rise is going to be 1, 2, 2, and then the run is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, -4, and -2/4 is the same thing as -1/2. So m, our slope, is -1/2. So let's come up with our equation. Y minus, what point should we use? Let's use this point. Okay, so the y is 0. Y minus 0 equals m, so that's -1/2 times x minus 1. Because 1 is the x value right here. Okay, and then let's simplify it. Y equals -1/2 times x minus 1. If you want, we can go even further. Go y equals -1/2 x, and then -1/2 times -1. So y equals -1/2 x plus 1/2. Okay. Another way, I don't know how your teacher wants your answer, but we can also do it in point slope form. No, actually, this is point slope form, but we can do it in slope-intercept form. And that is y equals mx plus b, and b is the y-intercept. So the y-intercept is where does the line cross the y-axis. So it looks like it's about 1/2, but let's try and be exact about it. So b is the y-intercept. The y-intercept is where x equals 0. So let's plug in x equals 0 to this equation. So we'll go y equals -1/2 times 0 plus 1/2. Y equals 0 plus 1/2. Y equals 1/2. So yeah, we were right. The y-intercept is 1/2. So B is going to be 1/2. So we have y equals, and then for m, remember that we found before that m equals -1/2. -1/2 x plus 1/2. Okay, so that this is slope-intercept form. Y equals -1/2 x plus 1/2. And that is the same thing as what we got before. So that's an easy way of checking our work. If you have any questions, please visit me at www.candomath.com. I am Maria McGuire. Thanks for watching.